Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Sorry I've been a little MIA lately. I'm still sick, but I'm feeling a little bit better. But as you can see, we are doing this pretty purple makeup today, and to start this off, we are taking the LA Girl Pro Concealer. We're just going to be putting that all over our eyelids. Next, we are taking the Profusion Spectrum palette, and we are going in with this pink shade Rave, and we are going to be putting that on top of our crease. Next, we went in with the Wanderlust palette by Profusion, and we are going in with Regal, I think, and we are putting that on top of the crease just to darken up that crease to make it really pop. Next, we went in with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and we are cutting out that crease now with that concealer. Next, we took my brand Zombiegirlcosmetics glitter, and this is the style Poison. I don't have the names on them just yet, but I am so excited for this glitter. Oh my god. Then we took the NYX Glitter Primer, and we are going to be laying that all over the crease that we just cut out. Oh, I hope you guys are having a wonderful week. I'm a little bit missing in action there for a couple days. Actually, it's been more like 6 days. But this cold just really took a lot out of me, and I had no energy to do anything. Now we took a makeup wipe, and we are just carving out that nice sharp tail in the eyeshadow. And then we took WetNWild's Maybelline, and we are going to be laying that on the sharp tail end, and we are just bringing that outward. I think I did it past the glitter a little bit, but yeah. Then we took the Kiss Products eyelashes in the style Gala. These eyelashes are so pretty. I love them so much. Then we took Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. We are just going to be blending my eyelashes in with the eyelashes. Typical thing, as always. Next, we took the WetNWild Foundation Photo Focus, and I can't remember, I think that was Porcelain. I had a midlife crisis in the middle of this. This foundation, you guys, it is ridiculous. Oh, yeah. And as you can see, here's the finished product for the foundation, and then we went in with the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder, and we are just laying that all over our face to give us that really matte look. Next, we went back in with the Wanderlust, and we are going in with Go Girl, and we are putting that under our waterline. This makeup came out so pretty. I love it so much. Next, we went in with the Aurora Lights by BhCosmetics, and we are going in, I cannot read that. I think it's prismatic. I can't read that because there's so much eyeshadow on top of it, but that's all right. Next, we took the BhCosmetics Blacklight Highlighter, and we are going in with Illusion. I hit the camera, but that's okay. And we are going to be lightening up the inner corner of our V. And then we're going to be putting highlight wherever you want to put it. Ooh, yeah. Next we took the JeffreeStar's, I think that one's Baby Daddy, and we are just putting that all over our lips. I don't really know what other explanation to say about putting lipstick on lips. I always look at myself in the mirror once I'm done with a project. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Oh, and this is it, you guys. This is the final look for today. I really do appreciate everybody who sticks around and watches my videos, even though it takes me a while to get them out because, especially this week, I've been so sick, it sucks. But if you guys like this video, go ahead and leave me a like down below or subscribe, whatever you guys want to do. I'm so excited to be able to put videos out. It feels me. It feels like I'm doing something that I'm supposed to be doing. And I absolutely love it. And yeah, so stay tuned. Stay tuned for my next video.